This is the Darwin's drawer puzzle. It may look simple as it's just a drawer and 4 pieces, but once you start packing these pieces into the tray, you'll realize that this drawer can't close with some of the pieces sticking up. This is the Darwin's drawer puzzle, and it's not as easy as it looks. Once you get 2 or even 3 of these pieces into the tray, you'll realize that you can't close the drawer, and some of these pieces will have to sit higher up, and that'll stop the drawer from coming out further than it could before. To get the Darwin's drawer puzzle for yourself, go click that link in the description. Take these pieces and you can just start by packing them into the tray, but then it'll be hard to figure out how all of these pieces fit in the tray together. If we start by just fitting 2 of the pieces in like this, we still can't get a third piece into the tray. That is because you have to take all of these pieces out and build a shape on the table that will help you fit it inside of the tray. Start by placing this piece on the table, and that allows us to now place this piece over here. Next, we can place this piece here, and finally this piece can sit in front, and now we just have to figure out how to get these pieces inside the tray. Take this piece, and we can't just fit it in this way, we have to kind of turn it sideways and twist it into the box. Next, take this piece and place it in the front. Now, close up the box, and we have to do a little bit of movement before we can add these 2 pieces into the tray. Give it a really good spin, and that drops this piece down to the back of the puzzle, and we can pull this piece out and shift this piece over to drop that piece down. Next, put this piece in the puzzle just like this. Then we're going to close it up a little bit. Drop this piece up and this piece to the back, and that gives us just enough space to fit this piece into the tray and close the drawer. Interested in seeing more cool puzzle solves like this? Then click this video right here.